In this video, we will talk about a very common and important part of learning English, making mistakes. If you're learning English and you make mistakes, don't worry. It's a natural and helpful part of the learning journey. We will explore why mistakes are good for learners, what kinds of mistakes are common, and how you can learn from your errors to improve faster. Mistakes are part of learning. When you start learning a new language like English, it is normal to make mistakes. Everyone makes them, even native speakers. The most important thing is not to feel embarrassed or upset. Mistakes show that you are trying, and trying is the first step to success. Mistakes help you understand what you need to improve. When you speak or write and someone corrects you, that correction becomes a lesson. If you stop speaking because you fear mistakes, you will not grow. But if you accept your mistakes, you will improve faster. Common mistakes in English. Let's look at some common mistakes learners make when speaking or writing English. Grammar mistakes. Learners often struggle with verb tenses, subject-verb agreement, and prepositions. For example, saying he go to school instead of he goes to school. Pronunciation errors. English words are not always pronounced the way they are written. Words like though, through, and thought can confuse many learners. Wrong word choice. Sometimes learners use the wrong word because it sounds similar to another. For example, using lose instead of loose. Sentence structure. Some learners translate directly from their native language, which can lead to strange sentence patterns in English, overthinking, or lack of confidence. Many students make mistakes because they get nervous or try too hard to speak perfectly. All of these are normal. The key is not to stop because of these mistakes, but to understand them and move forward. Why you should not fear mistakes. Many students want to speak perfect English and feel bad when they make a mistake. But if you are afraid of making errors, you may avoid speaking. That can slow your progress. Mistakes are not signs of failure. They are signs that you are learning something new. Imagine a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times before walking properly. In the same way, when you learn English, you will fall many times. But each fall teaches you something new. With time, you will make fewer mistakes. Learning from mistakes. Now let's talk about how to actually learn from your mistakes. Notice your mistakes. Try to be aware when you make a mistake. For example, if someone corrects you, pay attention to what was wrong. Ask questions. If you don't understand why something is wrong, ask your teacher or a friend. Knowing the reason behind your mistake helps you avoid it in the future. Write down your errors. Keep a notebook where you write your common mistakes and their corrections. Review them often. Practice the right way. Once you know the correct form, practice it in speaking and writing. Use the correct version in different sentences so it becomes natural. Be open to feedback. Don't feel bad if someone corrects you. Instead, thank them because they are helping you grow. Use technology. Tools like grammar checkers or language learning apps can help you find and fix your mistakes. Remember, the more you work with your mistakes, the stronger your English becomes. Real-life example. Let's say you always say, I didn't went to school. One day, your teacher tells you the correct sentence is, I didn't go to school. You understand the mistake. After did, we don't use the past tense verb. Now you write this rule in your notebook. You make 5 new sentences like, I didn't eat lunch. She didn't play yesterday. We didn't see the movie. By doing this, you have learned from your mistake and you are less likely to make it again. Progress takes time. Learning English is a journey. You cannot speak perfectly in one day, but every time you make a mistake and learn from it, you take one step forward. That is real progress. Don't compare yourself to others. Some people learn fast, some slow. Everyone has their own pace. Focus on your own improvement. Even great English speakers made many mistakes in the beginning. What made them better was their habit of learning from those mistakes and not giving up. Be proud of your mistakes. You should be proud of your mistakes because they mean you are learning. If you never make mistakes, it means you are not trying something new. Mistakes show that you are working hard, speaking, writing, and doing your best to grow. Every expert was once a beginner. They improved by learning from what they did wrong. You are on the same path. Final tips. Don't stop speaking English just because of fear. Record yourself and listen to your own speaking. Watch English videos and notice how native speakers speak. Join conversation groups where you feel safe to make mistakes. Celebrate small improvements every day. Each step matters. Conclusion. In this video, we learned that making mistakes in English is not a bad thing. It's a helpful part of learning. We talked about common types of mistakes, why it's okay to make them, and how to learn from them. We also discussed some tips to use your mistakes as tools for improvement. The most important thing is to stay confident and keep practicing. Always remember, it's okay to make mistakes, but it's even better when you learn from them. Keep learning, keep speaking, and don't give up. You're doing great.